Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 48. So let's start. Alright, so far so good. We need to find 10 cats. Now we need 7.
Great!
Alright, let's try there.
Perfect!
Okay, now we have it here.
Excellent!
Alright, now we need 5 to finish. Let's try the brown one. No, here. Alright, here is the green one. Okay,
Nice.
now we only need 2 to finish. Let's try
Great.
there. And the last one is here.